Steam fatal error isn't fatal at all. Here is why it's easier to fix than you think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your trusted source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you the proven steps to clear the error and get back to gaming without wasted hours. Method 1. Run Steam in repair mode. When you are receiving fatal error in Steam, run Steam in repair mode. Right-click on the Steam shortcut, then select Properties. Copy the target path. Open Run by pressing Windows+R, paste the copied path and add this. Press Enter to run Steam in repair mode. This will attempt to fix corrupted files and configuration issues. Method 2. Adjust compatibility settings. Right-click on the Steam shortcut or executable file. Select Properties, then go to Compatibility tab. Enable both recommended options such as Run this program in compatibility mode, then select a Windows version. Next, check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Apply changes and restart Steam to check if the error is resolved. Method 3. Modify LAN settings. Next, you can modify the LAN settings. To do that, open the Run command box. Type this and press OK. Go to the Connections tab and then click LAN settings. Uncheck Automatically Detect Settings. Save changes and restart Steam. Method 4. Disable firewall or antivirus. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with Steam and create problems like this. So you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ensure you disable Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next USE prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Method 5. Flush DNS using command prompt. The DNS settings stored on Windows are sometimes corrupted or damaged. This may restrict your Steam to work properly. So you can initiate the DNS settings to resolve the issue. Open an elevated command prompt window and then type this in the box and hit the Enter button. Wait till the process gets completed. Now, launch Steam and check whether the problem is solved. Method 6. Power cycle your internet router. If the issue is occurring due to network-related problems, then power cycling the router can fix it up. Here is how to do so. Unplug the power cord of your internet router and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug in back the power cord. After you get internet access, launch your Steam. Now check if the problem is resolved this way. Method 7. Disable ad blocker add-on. Often it has been found that the ad blockers that are installed on your computer interferes with your Steam client. This restricts the features to work properly. Disabling these ad blockers often helps to resolve the problem instantly. So here is how to disable ad blocker add-ons for the respective browsers. Microsoft Edge. For Microsoft Edge, go to the Settings option first and then select Option menu. Now select Extensions, then disable to turn the extension off. Check by running your Steam client. Firefox, go to Menu and from the provided list, go to Extensions and Themes section. Now hover the pointer and disable the ad blocker option. Chrome, from the menu option, select Extensions and then Manage Extensions. Then disable to turn the extension off. Method 8. Perform a clean reinstall of Steam. If the methods shown previously could not fix the issue, then reinstall your Steam client. Here is how to do so. Open Settings, then select Apps, then Install Apps, then select Find Steam in the list and uninstall it. Before uninstalling, you can copy your Steam apps folder to another drive to preserve your game files. After uninstalling, reinstall Steam from the official website. Move the Steam apps folder back to the new installation directory to restore your games. And that's it. Steam fatal error isn't the game-ending disaster it pretends to be. Most fixes take minutes, not days. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe for more veteran-tested solutions, and share your own Steam error stories in the comments, because your experience might be the lifeline someone else needs. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.